Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. Have you been looking for a better way to organize some of that space in your pantry or your fridge, just like I have? Well, let me just tell you, these organization bins from Seseno are exactly what I needed. These bins are useful for literally any part of your house. So I originally wanted them just to organize my pantry, but then I realized how useful these bins will be around the other areas of my home as well. So these were also useful to organize my refrigerator, the cabinets underneath my kitchen and bathroom sink, laundry room. It can organize your arts and crafts supplies, or even the little knickknacks that your kids have laying around in their rooms. I mean, the possibilities are endless. These bins have been super duper handy. And I love that they come in a pack of 8. So it comes with 4 large containers and 4 small ones. And not only that, but the smaller bins can actually stack on top of the other to really help maximize your space. And I like that these are not just made out of any flimsy plastic material. The description said that they're made out of a shatter-resistant plastic. So they definitely seem very, very sturdy to me. I stuffed these bins to the top with all my supplies, and I feel like they've held up really nicely. I especially love that they're all clear because it makes it so easy to see exactly what I need and which bin it's located in. And I also love that each of the bins have handles, which makes it easy to slide these bins out or pull them down from a higher shelf. I have so much stuff in literally every corner of my house, so these bins really and truly have helped me to look and feel more organized. So if you also need help to organize a little bit more around your house, I would highly recommend these from Seseno, but that's just my point of view.